you guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Lori, and what I have for you today is the BOXYCHARM. This is the premium for BOXYCHARM for November 2021. This is the $39.99 premium box. The theme for this month is invite only. And as you guys can tell, I'm not feeling very good. It's just not tonight. My variation is 214. And this, I don't know where they're coming up with that cheap crap. But I am going to let you know right now, I do have everything from the Lady Lori box over there. So if it is duplicate, I won't go through it again. This is from the Lady Lori box right here. These two. There's two different ones in the Beauty Over 50. So this was my choice. This is the Lock-It Powder Foundation by KVD Beauty. And mine came in the color Tan 165. Now, you know what? At least the number was the same as another product that I used just recently, and it wasn't KVD. This one's $37. It's a vegan powder foundation that delivers full coverage, instant blurring, and extreme long wear in a sexy compact. Her packaging is phenomenal. It definitely is some sexy packaging. Ooh, now the Puff Puff was on the outside, just so you know. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. Look at that beautiful vampire red. That's pretty. I just don't want to, you know. I wonder why the Puff Puff was on the outside. I wonder if there's a little chamber underneath where you can put the Puff Puff. Oddly enough, my Puff Puff was on the outside of the package. So this replaces this. And then the Rhodial Blush Drops. This is the one from the Lady Lori box. And it was in the Frosted Pink. Remember the Frosted Pink? And then the one that I got in this box, which is the Beauty Over 50. This is the Blush Drops in the color Sunset Kiss. So these are the two different colors that I did get. They're two totally different ends of the spectrum when it comes to color. This almost looks like it's not blush. And this one says Blush Drops. Now see this one here? This is like Blush Drops, right? This reminds me of like a highlighter or something you would put and mix like maybe in your foundation. This is really pretty. And kind of fun to experiment with. And these were new launches for Boxy. Now I think those are the only two because everything else was duplicate. The Nude Sticks Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel. Got two up. The Riddle Oil, remember that one? That is supposed to combine with your oils, your natural oils, and give you your own unique scent. Changes a little bit, and it did change. It really did. So there's them. And then Galactic Rose Oil Petal Gloss. Oh, no. There's the one from the Lady Lori, and this is the one from the Beauty Over 50. No, I will not be opening this up. This stinks like dirty socks and dirty feet. If anyone, I don't think anyone is going to want these. I might just give these to the little grandbabies and let them play with it, because I don't think there's any, but you'd have to pay somebody to take this. So, I mean, seriously, this stuff was nasty. 20 bucks, they should be giving us a refund. And then, of course, I'm not going to open this one up, but this was the Better Skin Co., the Eye Bright Now, and so I did get the second bottle. So that's everything for my Boxy Premium. Again, my variation is $214. What was my total value? I don't know. You know why? Because it's going to be right there. Sometimes I have the amount completely tallied up, and then sometimes I don't. And that's usually if I didn't go through the box thoroughly when it first got here. But anyhow, I do apologize, you guys. I am not feeling very well today. It just had a little procedure yesterday and was supposed to take the day off, and I'm still trying to get all these boxes done before, you know, I'm just trying to stay caught up instead of having 13 boxes piled up on the floor. So that's my excuse, and I'm sticking to it. And I wanted to share with you guys another box, but it's going to have to wait for another video. So thank you very much for spending just a little bit of time with me. I greatly appreciate it. Do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment that says, hey, we stopped by. I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.